In this video I'll show you how to make oil change, to do oil change. ES 300H. I recommend to use plastic disposable drop cloths, and if you don't have any lifts or anything, these things are ramps, and your car just drive on top of the ramps, and you will have easy access to the bottom of the car. So let's start with trimming the plastic. I'll hit the pause. As you see, ramps are by the tires. Plastic is laid on, and the size of the plastic sheet is 9 feet by 12 feet, 12 mil its thickness, okay? Now I'm gonna roll on the ramps. As you see, everything looks stable. Both wheels are on the ramps. And now you can unscrew your oil cup. Alright. I prefer on hot car, that way oil will drain faster when motor is hot. Maybe not very hot. Check out your tolerance level. Alright. I'll hit the pause and show you what to do under the car. Alright, we are under the car. First I'll show you the process, and then I'll show you the tools that you need. So let's not get distracted with oil filter at the moment. Let's just drain the oil, okay? You need to find this bolt. It's a plug, okay? It has little washer which is made of soft material, and you're gonna need this kind of socket wrench and the actual. Alright, I'll snap it on and we'll continue. As you see, I'm snapping on this wrench, and I'm going to undo this bolt and drain the oil. Okay, it got loose. Now I can just use the hand and oil will flow. Exhaust pipe is not hot. Nothing super dangerous here. Don't lose your bolt in the oil pan. Alright. Alright. Here it is. Here's what it looks like. And the oil is draining. Alright. And because it's hot, it will drain very fast. And then we will work on the oil filter, which is here. Alright. After 3 minutes, oil is already kind of dripping. And in 2 more minutes it will just will be drop by drop. Let's wait a little bit more. While we're waiting for the oil to drop, to drain, I will show you the range. It's 14 millimeters. 14. Alright, it's been 5 to 6 minutes and oil now dripping instead of leaking, okay? So this is the good time to plug it back with the same plug, the same bolt. And while you wait for the oil to drain, you can change your air filter if you want. I'm just gonna do it separately for the purpose of this video. Now I'm gonna clean it a little bit. That way you will see if there is any new oil leak. Now we are going to drain this thing. And I want to show you this metal piece is a drain plug. And you have drain little drain pipe, you see, which will go here, which will go into drain plug and drain most of the oil from the filter, right? And when you unscrewing that metal piece, the whole piece can go together. That's why they have this little clip that can prevent rest of the assembly from prevent the black plastic thing body from turning together. So I'm going to insert my wrench. And while I'm gonna turn, I'm going to hold this metal clip so it wouldn't let the plastic body to turn as well, okay? I'll show you in a moment. See the pause. Unfortunately, metal plug doesn't want to unscrew, so I can't drain it through this thing, but I will remove whole assembly and it will be a more splash, oil splash, and then I will loosen up that metal thing. Next time I will do it with the drain. Right now I'm gonna remove whole the plastic assembly with this wrench. So because this is going to be more oil than expected, I'm going to drain it at the moment right now. And I have prepared empty oil can that I'm going to drain it. And this is the oil you need for Lexus. Alright. I'll hit the pause. Alright, oil pan is empty. We have a little bit of spill off, but luckily there's plastic sheet, so it's not a problem. Alright, let's work on oil filter. Right now I'm just going to remove oil filter and disassemble it. I'll hit the pause and I'll show you what happens. By the way, that's what you need to do. You just need to use this wrench to remove whole assembly together from here, like this. Right? Here is what you got. This whole assembly, old filter, hit autofocus. Alright, this is old filter, and this is the plastic body, and here is the drain plug that I couldn't unscrew. Okay, so I'm gonna disassemble it now. And also your mobile M1C 251 filter came with the new rubber gaskets. One gasket is here, okay, and big one, and small gasket is under this metal thing. If I will be successful of undoing this, then next time I will just have easier time to drain it instead of making mess. Okay, I'll hit the pause and try to disassemble it. Start losing pieces of plastic. Right. Doesn't work. Okay. I guess that's how I have to change oil from now on. Pieces of plastic everywhere. I'll put some oil on this gasket. Okay. Now I'm gonna screw it on, and I'm gonna use this one already. I don't need the wrench. All right. Here is the new filter. This is the brand. M1C 251. I guess it's the same from both sides. Right. I know there is rubber gasket, it's not gonna leak. I'm just gonna turn while it's going, and then I'll stop. Now it's back as it was in the beginning. but more shiny and glossy. I'm just gonna wipe everything. That way I can tell if there's any leaks. And I was using that little pin to hold the casing, plastic casing, and it just flew off, that pin. Didn't do the job. Alright. Now we're gonna fill the motor with oil. I used extended mileage, extended performance. This time I use regular. Alright. And here is the funnel. There you go. I decided to use bigger funnel on top, just so I wouldn't miss. And I know from experience, if you drain your oil well on warm, then it will take whole 5-quart bottle. Right. Let's drain the rest of the oil. And you can return this used oil to your auto parts store. They take it back. And I'm gonna wipe off this pen tray and keep it for the next oil change. Let's pull the dipstick and check the oil level. So now I drove off the ramps and I'm gonna check the oil level. Also let the engine run with air conditioner because it's hybrid, so sometimes engine is not working while car is on. Alright, let's see. Show you how to turn off maintenance required signal on Lexus ES 300H. Make sure you're on trip A, okay? This is the button. You press it as many times as you have to, so it would show you trip A, okay? Then turn off the car. Turn off the car. Alright. Press and hold. Press and hold trip A. No, odometer trip. Press and hold. And then put your foot on the brake and press power button. Okay? And you see while you're holding what's happening. Resetting maintenance data, okay? And you still on trip A, nothing changed. That's it, reset. And you no more have this annoying maintenance required. Alright, have a nice day.